Walmart and then to my wife's school to go and finish cleaning up her stuff before she retires.
And cleaning out the car too.
Oh, cleaning out the car
I have a lot of junk in the car.
A lot of junk in the car. So we're gonna take the car to Little Rock this week. So we're gonna get the car cleaned up. I think we're taking Leia with us, so Leia has to get in here too. All right, Walmart's next. Here we go. Guys, so we are done with Walmart. Now we're gonna head home and make what kind of sandwiches?
Tuna fish.
Tuna sandwiches. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's gotta have a little bit. Yeah. Tuna sandwiches, guys, with chips. Good little nap.
Oh, there went the apples.
And then we're gonna head over to.
Oh, I've got to pick up some bins before we go to my office. Is that okay?
What?
Oh, wherever. Dollar General's fine.
Oh, I guess we're going to the dollar store. Hi guys, we are here to pack up the principal's office for the last time. Retiring.
She did a lot of work. Look at that. Oh, what am I going? Secretary decorated. Aww. I didn't know the AC would be on. Yeah, it's a mess in here. I was gonna shred a lot of that. That's what I have to do. Oh my god. Okay, so.
A lot of stuff to pack up, guys.
7 years worth of stuff. So I just, yeah, it's a lot. I don't know what to do.
Okay. Done for the day. Got most of the stuff packed up. We'll leave it for tomorrow. And Emily will have to come back probably some other day and just kind of finish up a few little loose ends. Well, that's it, guys. Not a whole lot in this video. Just kind of wanted to make a little vlog of what we're doing. It's been a rough, 8-9 days. And we just kind of wanted to stay busy and get a few things done. So tomorrow, same thing. We had a couple of things planned, but I think we're just going to kind of kick back and relax, not do much. We got a rosary tonight, rosary tomorrow night, and then Monday we take off for work in Little Rock. So I think we'll just kick back tomorrow and just kind of relax. All right, guys. Anything you want to say?
Tomorrow, pack up the rest of it. It doesn't seem like almost 2 weeks, but it's going on 2
2 weeks?
No, Mom, it's coming on it. This next week, this next Wednesday. So we're Saturday, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So you're right, where it's about 9 days, 10 days. It just doesn't seem like that. It just seemed like, I don't know, like maybe 4 days went by. That's what it felt like.
Time passes quick, guys. So, you got somebody, maybe a family member you haven't seen in a while, make it a point to go see them, give them a hug. Because you just never know. That'll do it for us. We're gonna make another vlog when we make the little trip to Little Rock. We're gonna probably try to stop in a couple of little mom and pop restaurants and just kind of make a little trip of it.